guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I do have another Walgreens video for you guys. I love me some Walgreens, so yes, I got another video for y'all. In this transaction, I actually did an online pickup order, and then I also did an in-store order. So I'm going to go over both of these transactions with you guys. These deals started on Sunday, December 26th, and they are good up until Saturday, January 2nd. Now, before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. Also, if you aren't new to my channel and you are not subscribed to me, what's the problem? So come on, go ahead and subscribe. Okay. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys enjoy this video, I would appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up, share this video, leave me a comment down in the comment section. And so with that being said, let's get right into it. Oh yeah. Also, you guys, this is the video that I am going to be choosing my giveaway winner for the $10 cash prize. So if you watched my Walgreens video on Monday, that is the video where I was doing the $10 cash giveaway, and I let you guys know that I was going to be choosing the winner on Wednesday. So this is the video for that. So make sure you guys watch my whole video so that you can see who the winner is. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, you guys, also I have my little notes right here. So if you guys see me looking down at any part of the video, is to make sure that I am explaining this correctly. So we're going to go ahead and start with the online pickup orders. So in this transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Revlon nail filers here. I grabbed this Gillette Series shave gel, and then I went ahead and grabbed this Gillette Fusion 5 shave gel. So with the Revlon nail filers here, so these are priced online at Walgreens for $1.69. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $3 in Walgreens cash. So you will purchase 2 at $1.69, and that will bring your total to $3.38. Since you purchased 2, you will get back that $3 in Walgreens cash, making your total for both just 38 cents, or it makes these 19 cents each. So this is a really nice and easy, cheap deal to do, especially if you need some nail filers. And then right here, I have the Gillette Fusion 5 shave gel. This is priced online at $5.29. And then I have the Gillette Series shave gel, and this is priced online at $3.48. So the deal with this is that they are buy one, get one 50% off. So this one rung up regular price at $5.29. This one rung up half off at $1.74. So the regular price for this is $3.48. Half off is $1.74. So $5.29, $1.74. So for the both of these, that brings the overall total to $7.03. I did use 2 digital coupons. I used a $2 off of one Gillette coupon on one, and then I used a $1 off of one Gillette shave gel coupon on the other. So in digital coupons, I used a total of $3. So $7.03 minus the $3 that I used in coupons, that brought my total down to just $4.03. And remember, when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So $4.03 minus the $4 in Walgreens cash that I received, that makes the grand total for the both of these just 3 cents, you guys. 3 cents for the both of these. This is truly an amazing deal. And then also on this transaction, and I only got all 4 of these items on this transaction, I also used a promo code, and that promo code was try again 1, and that took off 51 cents, an additional 51 cents off of this order. And I think with that promo code, it was just getting a few cents off for regularly priced items, if I remember correctly. So once again, that code is try again 1. Like I said, on this transaction for me, it took off 51 cents. And so as you guys can see here, everything rung up. Both of the digital coupons came off. And so it brought my subtotal to $6.90. In total, I got back $7.05. So I paid $6.90 and I got back $7.05. So that made this transaction completely free, plus a 15-cent moneymaker. And so that is everything that was in my online pickup order. So that was a nice free transaction. And then in my second transaction, I went ahead and stocked up on some more Scott. I grabbed some Tide detergent, some Tide pods, and then I also grabbed 2 of these Old Spice gift sets. So on this transaction also, I did use the $10 off of a $30 purchase coupon. And then I also had 2 registry rewards that I wanted to use. So let me just go ahead and get started with the Scott tissue. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Scott Comfort Plus tissues. These are regularly priced at $5. The deal is they are buy one, get one 50% off. I went ahead and purchased 2. So one rung up at $5. The second one rung up at $2.50. That's a total of $7.50 for both, or it makes each one $3.75. And then as always, I didn't have any coupons, but you can go to the Scott brand website and see if you can print some coupons off for these, but I didn't have any. And then the next thing that I have is this 32 count of Tide Ultra Oxy Pods. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $11.99. I did use a digital $3 off of 1 coupon on this. And with using that coupon, it brought the total down to just $8.99. And then I also purchased this 92 ounce of Tide Ultra Oxy laundry detergent. And so this is priced as well at $11.99. I used a $3 digital coupon, making this just $8.99. And then with my last 2 items, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Old Spice gift sets. These are 50% off at Walgreens, and so each of these rung up at $5, so $10 total. I did use a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on these, so $10 minus the $5 digital coupon that I used, it brought the total down to just $5 for the both of these, or it makes these just $2.50 each, which is a really nice price, you guys. So my 10 off of 30 coupon came off, so let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you guys can see, my Scott one rung up at $5, the second one half off at $2.50. My Tide liquid at $11.99, Tide pods at $11.99. Both of my Old Spice gift sets at $5 each, so $10. And then I also had a free 8x10 photo that I needed to pick up, so that is what that is. And so as you guys can see, my $10 off of a $30 purchase came off. My $3 for the Tide liquid, my $3 for the Tide pods, and my $5 for the Old Spice gift sets. And then I used 2 registry rewards. I used one $3 registry reward and one $3.50 registry reward. So as you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $13.98. I did go ahead and use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I had to pay $3.98 out of pocket. And then when you look down here for this visit, I did earn $5, and this $5 came from a booster that I had clipped to my account. Get $5 when you spend $25. So all in all, this was a great transaction, you guys. Even with me having to pay the $3.98, I still got back $5, and I was able to get rid of the registry rewards that I needed to use. So I am happy with both of these transactions. My first transaction was a money-making transaction, and my second transaction was a lot of items that obviously the the tissue and the laundry products are going to be going into bundles for me. And then I'm probably going to also sell these gift sets. If I don't sell these gift sets, I will probably see if my brother needs these, and then I'll probably give it to my brother. So either way, I got stuff that will most definitely be put to use. So that is it for the both of those transactions, you guys. So let me go ahead and take a pause, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the giveaway winner. So give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and copied and pasted my YouTube link, and so I'm just going to scroll down. And right here where it says start raffle and pick a random winner, I'm just going to go ahead and click start, and we shall see who the $10 cash giveaway winner is. Okay, so the winner is Ellie. So her comment says, new subscriber here, praying I live according to God's word. No Instagram, just YouTube, but thanks for sharing. No problem. Thank you so much for participating into this giveaway, Ellie. The only thing that you have to do is email me. My email is linked in the description box below. So you have until Friday to email me and to claim your prize. If you don't email me by Friday, then unfortunately I will have to choose another giveaway winner. So thank you so much for participating, and thank you to all of you who participated as well. And you guys, make sure you look forward to my videos in the future, because I will be doing more giveaway videos. I am on my way to 5,000 subscribers, and I am so excited about that. I will most definitely be doing a huge giveaway once I reach the 5,000 subscriber mark. So make sure you are subscribed and have that notification bell on. Once again, congrats, Ellie, and thank you guys for participating. Okay, you guys, so Ellie is our winner. Thank you so much for participating into this giveaway. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, I would really appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up, like this video, and please make sure that you are subscribed to me. Don't forget to submit any of your receipts to Fetch Rewards so that you can get some points. I submitted my receipt with the Scott, and I think I got like 375 points. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So that is going to be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.